You're seriously missing out if you haven't played Disney Illusion Island yet. It's one of the most visually stunning, smoothest platformers out there, and today, I'll show you exactly how to download and install it, step by step, whether you're on PC or console. Disney Illusion Island brings the magic of Mickey, Minnie, Donald, and Goofy into a beautifully hand-drawn world filled with puzzles, platforming, and cooperative gameplay. It's the perfect mix of classic Disney charm and modern game mechanics. Each character has their own unique animations and personality, and the level design is packed with secrets, clever challenges, and whimsical enemies that'll keep you exploring for hours. The game supports up to 4 players in local co-op, so it's perfect for playing with friends or family. And even if you're playing solo, the controls feel fluid, the environments are rich with detail, and the story is fun, lighthearted, and surprisingly immersive. It's not just a kid's game, it's a full experience made for Disney fans of all ages. Now, let's talk about how to download it. There are 2 super easy ways to get started. First, follow along with this video and I'll guide you through everything, where to get the game, whether you're on Nintendo Switch, PC, or any supported platform, and how to install it properly. No confusing steps, just follow along, and you'll be exploring Monoth Island in no time. Second, if you prefer a written version or want something quick to reference later, check the link in the description. I've added a complete guide with direct download links, installation instructions, and even troubleshooting tips for common issues, everything laid out clearly and simply. And if you run into any trouble, don't worry. Drop a comment below and I'll help you out as fast as I can. I always check the comments and I'm here to make sure you get the game running smoothly. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy game download guides, fixes, and tips. And if there's another game you need help with, let me know, I might cover it in the next video. All the resources you need are down in the description. Go enjoy the magic of Disney Illusion Island, and I'll see you in the next one.